Just stand still, stand still. Phil, we had some nice thunderstorms south of San Antonio, and some of them were sent into our newsroom. Some nice pictures, that is, and just incredible. Take a look at some of these photos. And they're forming cumulonimbus clouds. And what happens is you have all this hot air rising, all the moisture, all the humidity at the surface, and it goes up to heights of 30 to 40 to 50,000 feet. Now, how they form that mushroom-like structure, they hit the stratosphere, and the stratosphere is like a ceiling. The air starts to warm up with height, so the clouds, they spread out laterally and form that kind of structure. Almost looks like an explosion. But yeah, we had photos courtesy to Dan and a lot of different Kents 5 viewers. In addition to this one right here, Michael sent this one in about 10 minutes ago. This was around 151 on the west-northwest side of San Antonio. And again, near the gas station, looks like an explosion. This was a thunderstorm. This is what we mean by isolated thunderstorms. Not everywhere, but they're going to be around. It's kind of a summer-like pattern we're in with this kind of activity. Now, as a matter of fact, south of San Antonio is where it really got active. I mean, east as well, east near I-35 and towards Gonzales. But now the thunderstorms are drifting farther south and really weakening with the lack of daytime heat, and temperatures cool down. Now, around 7 o'clock, that storm, that one isolated storm, formed right south of Pleasanton and south of Poteet, which was great news for the Strawberry Festival. But now the rain is moving out. It's weakening, moving towards, let's say, George West, Beeville. Still pretty strong out near Choke Canyon, Tilden, and McMullen County, but we'll stay dry tonight here in San Antonio. All right, today's number is from 61 to 93. We should be near 58 to 80. We're well above average, especially in the afternoons, where temperatures maxed out in the triple digits out near Pearsall and Cotulla earlier today. Right now, we're in the 80s out there, 70s in San Antonio, 60s across the hill country, at least near that. And here's the forecast model. It stays clear overnight. No rain in the forecast. Tomorrow morning, 6 and 7 a.m., maybe a light jacket. And I say that because, yes, lower 60s may not sound like chilly, but winds will be moving around 20 to 30 miles an hour. So a nice wind, temperatures in the lower 60s, and then under mostly clear skies. It'll be a nice start to the day, and then temperatures should recover near 80 degrees. Easterly winds will start to relax in the evening hours, but yeah, the winds will be the big story. Tomorrow morning, look at this, northeast winds 20 to 30 miles an hour, and they start to back up and really come down in strength by tomorrow night. So looking forward, it looks like we'll look ahead to a pretty good chance at rain, but not until Wednesday and Thursday. Quiet weather flow through Tuesday. On Tuesday afternoon, clouds build back in, and by Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to watch this weak disturbance out to the west near El Paso, New Mexico, the desert southwest, and that'll move farther east, igniting a chance for rain, but it's not going to happen until early Wednesday. Scattered showers out near Houston midweek, and some of that will drift farther south as kind of outflow boundaries as they drift farther southeast towards San Antonio, Corpus Christi, and that'll be Wednesday night and Thursday morning as well. Mostly light rain activity expected for Thursday. Now, considering our drought, it's exceptional. It's in the worst kind of category. We need any drop, every drop we can get. Now, San Antonio's forecast rainfall over the next 7 days, so pretty much through next Friday. Looks like upwards of a ½ inch of rainfall in northern San Antonio, east of I-35 towards Houston, down I-10, near 1 to 2 inches of rain, mainly between Tuesday and Thursday of next week. We're pinpointing for the best chance and best window at seeing some measurable rain in the forecast. All right, here's the 7-day. Tomorrow, 80 degrees, breezy to windy at times. Keep that in mind. 81 on Monday, cooling down on Tuesday as more clouds build in. Wednesday, best chance at rain, only 40% chance at scattered showers. Fiesta should be fine. I do think if we see any rain, it'll be in the morning. Things clear out by the evening. First night of Fiesta will be fantastic. 86 to 82 on Friday and 81 on Saturday.